Alright guys, this is your next question from Cat24, the first lot. Please pause the video and try it once. For any natural number n, let an be the largest integer not exceeding root n. Then the value of a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 up to a50 is. Beautiful question. It's a typical example of how they put up one question in the garb of some other concept, but it actually turns out to be something else. So in this question, we have to understand they're asking you the value of a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4, okay, up to a50. A50 is like A48, A49 and A50. So what they mean to say is an is actually the largest integer not exceeding root n. So a1 is actually the largest integer not exceeding root 1 and this will be 1. So root 1 will be 1 only. Largest integer not exceeding 1 is 1 only. Okay. Plus, in the same way, a2 would be the largest integer not exceeding root 2. Now root 2 has a value 1.414. So the largest integer not exceeding root 2 will be 1 only. Same way, root 3. A3 will be root 3 and root 3 is 1.73. So the largest integer not exceeding root 3 will be 1. Similarly, a4 will be the largest integer not exceeding root 4. Now we know root 4 is actually 2. Similarly, a5 will be root 5. The largest integer not exceeding root 5 will be again 2. A6 will be the largest integer not exceeding root 6. It will again be 2. A7 will again be the largest integer not exceeding root 7. It will be again 2. A8 will be the largest integer not exceeding root 8. It will be again 2. Now A9 interestingly will be the largest integer not exceeding root 9. Now root 9 is 3. So the largest integer not exceeding root 9 will be 3. Similarly, A10 will be again 3. The largest integer not exceeding root 10. And this continues, right? Now we'll notice something very interesting, guys. 1 and 1 and 1 is actually 1 into 3 plus 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 is 5 times. It is 2 into 5. Okay, plus 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 will basically start from root 9 up to root 15. There are going to be 7 terms, right? So 3 into 7 and this will go on. So now we can start to see a pattern. The number 1 will come 3 times. The number 2 will come 5 times. The number 3 will come 7 times. So we can see a pattern in here. Every nth number 1, 2, 3 or n will come for 2n plus 1 number of times, right? You can check it out. If you put n as 1, you get 1 into 2 into 1 plus 1. That's 1 into 3. If I put n equals to 2, I will get 2 into 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. If I put n equals to 3, I will get 3 into 2, 3 the 6 plus 1, which is 7, right? So the next number will be 4 into 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 plus 5 into 2 into 5 plus 1, that will be 10 plus 1, 11 plus 6 into 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13. Now we stop here and notice that A48 will be the largest integer not exceeding root 48. So it will be 6 point something. So A48 is the last term which will have the value 6. Beyond that, A49 is the largest integer not exceeding root 49. And root 49 is basically 7 only. So A49 is 7 only. Plus A50 will be 7 point something, root of 50. So again, the largest integer not exceeding root 50 will be 7 only. So as my answer, I'm supposed to add all these terms. So 1 into 3, I'm going to get 3, plus 2 5s are 10, plus 3 7s are 21, plus 4 9s are 36, plus 5 11s are 55, plus 6 13s are 78, and 7 plus 7 is 14. I add all these numbers to get my answer. 13 and 21 is 34, and 36 70, and 55 125. 125 and 78 will be 203, and 14 will be 217 or 217. That's the final correct answer to my question, 217. Now, what if the same question was up to A1000? This is your homework question. Please let me know your answer in the comments, and you can request the solution in the comments as well.